Hello, thanks for watching. Today we're going to be looking at sausage rolls. Right, I've been shopping to Aldi and I've also been shopping to Home Bargains, and I've bought some sausage rolls from each one. So we'll have a look at these. Right, for this evening's meal, this is what we're going to be looking at with the sausage rolls. These are the Crestwood ones from Aldi. They were £1.15. These are the Sayers ones, and these were from Home Bargains. They were £1.25. So we'll have a quick look at the packaging. This is the Aldi one and the traffic light system. Why isn't it focuses properly? That's better. There you go. And this is the back of the pack. Uh, 25 to 30 minutes for cooking. And that's the ingredients there. Wheat being the allergen. And that's the nutritional value. On the Sayers pack, what I noticed earlier was that there is no traffic light system on them at all, which is a bit of a strange one. Right, so this is the focus. There we go. This is, as I say, this is the Sayers one. Now these have 19.2 grams per fat per sausage roll, compared to the Aldi one, which is only 13.5. So that's interesting. And the ingredients for these ones, when I get the box right. So you've got wheat, egg, your sulfites and metabisulfite. And also what's interesting with these Sayers ones, it contains monosodium glutamate, where the Aldi one, I don't believe it contains that. Alright, so here's the sausage rolls in question. That's the Aldi sausage roll. There is a big difference with the colouring. Looks like there's a lot more egg wash on this. And this is the wow, this one is the Sayers one. So there is a big difference. And what I'm going to have a quick look at, I'm just going to have a look at the weight and see what they come out as each, just out of interest. Now, I don't think there's any fear in getting these two mixed up. So this one's the Aldi one. It's 108 grams. And this is the Sayers. It's 116 grams. Okay, that's a surprise. I thought this one would have been a bit lighter. But yeah, we're not going to get these mixed up at all in the cooking with the colour of them, the shape. So I'm going to get these cooked up now. Say they're 20 to 25 minutes, but I'll put them in the air fryer and they'll cook that a little bit quicker. So we'll see how these come out. Alright, here they are cooked. This one's the Aldi. Got a little bit more colouring on the top than this one. So we'll see what these taste like. I'll wait till they cool down a little bit more. Don't want to burn my mouth. I've just cut them in half. There's a bit of a shadow in here tonight. This is the Aldi one. If you can see that clear. Comparing it to the Sayers, this is a lot more sausage meat looking. Very different. So we'll give these a taste and see what they're like. Right, so first I'll try the Aldi one. That's them there. See what that one's like. Still hot. Yeah. They're really nice. Got a bit of a herby taste to them. Yeah, really good. So I'll try the Sayers one. Take a bit from the middle again. And I'll just show you that, see if you can pick it up. It looks a lot more, as I say, sausage meat. In this, so we'll give these a go. Not much flavour to them. The Aldi one does have a lot more flavour. I'll try another piece from the Sayers one. As I say, it's a lot more sausage meat. And it's a bit flavourless. No, you just get a real sausage meat taste to them. Whereas the Aldi one does have a bit of flavour. I'll have another piece of that one. Yeah, looks a lot better on the inside as well. Yeah, there's better seasoning in the Aldi one, and you can also taste the herbs a lot better. Where the Sayers one, no, really tasteless. Not surprised they put monosodium glutamate in it to give it a bit of a taste, because it needs it. Because I can't taste anything, just sausage meat. So really, with these two being in the ring tonight, I think the Aldi one has definitely won it against the Sayers. But if you've tried the Sayers, let me know what you think. Be interesting to see what you say. But to me, the Aldi ones, I'll give them 8 out of 10. And the Sayers, to be honest, I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Very flavourless. I can't say much more than that. Bit of a disappointment, because that's not how I remember them from years ago. But yeah, let me know if you've tried these and see what you think, or tell me what you think. No, don't like the Sayers ones at all. Give that to the dog after. But if this is your type of content, give it a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing, because it's free at the end of the day. Yeah, so I'm going to go and eat the Aldi one. I'm not going to eat the Sayers one. I don't like it. But each to their own. But I know which one I prefer. Like I say, the Aldi, that one wins this bout for a frozen sausage roll. So yeah, I'm going to go now, and I'll catch you in the next video. It's only a short one tonight, so I'll see you again. Bye bye. I'll finish my sausage roll off. Yeah, they were nice. I don't have anything on these, but yeah, they're really nice. Last piece. Dare I try another piece? of the Sayers. I'm not sure. Might as well it's cooked. I'll save a bit for the dog. No, no, no. No. No, they leave a bit of a not nice taste in your mouth, so I'll give them a miss. So anyway, I'm away. See you next time. Bye for now.